So Gigabyte AORUS GeForce RTX 4070 Master 12G. This is a Gigabyte graphic card. Let's check the deep specification of this graphic card. Then this is graphic card processing socket GeForce RTX 4070. This is required, and core clock 2595 megahertz, and refer card you can see this CUDA core 5 plate, memory clock speed. This is actually clock speed 21 GB per second. Memory size 12 GB. Memory type DDR, which is connect to your required this DDR6X, GDDR6X. Memory bus 192 bit, and this is required PCIe 4.0, and this is the resolutions, display resolutions 7680 into 4320, and this is required power supply CPU 700 watt, requires 16 pin, 4 we can use 4 port display, so 3 display port, 1.4A and 1 HDMI, 3 DP port, 1 HDMI 2.1A.